And welcome to break 4802 for the 2020 Parade Platinum Football Card Box. I want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Friday, April 16, 2021. It's 11:15 p.m. Eastern Time, 10:15 p.m. Central Time, and 8:15 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Con 3 spots, Mike 2, Rec 4, Boma 1, Munkers 2, CL 1, Bears 5, Tupa 3, Chuck 10, John 1 spot. So let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams for the break once. Alright, guess we're going to have to do this again. Twice. Tupa's on top and bottom. Tupa with the Cardinals, Chuck Falcons, Rec Ravens, Chuck Bills, Panthers, Bears, Bears with the Bears and Bengals, Rec Browns, Bears Cowboys, Chuck Broncos, Bears Lions, Tupa Packers, Chuck Texans, Colts, Jaguars, Jar Chiefs, Con Raiders, Mike Will Chargers, CL Rams, Munkers Dolphins, Chuck Vikings, Con Patriots, Rex Saints, Chuck with the Giants, Munkers Jets, Con Eagles, Rex Steelers, Mike Will 49ers, Chuck Seahawks, Bears Buccaneers, and John Titans and Tupa, last but not least with Washington. All sealed up. Good luck. AP All Day Minnesota Vikings game used jersey times 4, 74 out of 75. Topps Prime jersey auto. Very nice. Who has the Minnesota Vikings? Emmerchuck, congrats. And that was 4802 for the 2020 Hit Parade Platinum Football Card Box. Want to thank everyone for getting in the break and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at p-sportscards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot in the autograph 8x10. Thanks.